Hello crafties, welcome back to my channel after a long time. So today we are making a vintage journal diary. So for that I have taken A4 size papers. These are printing normal 80 GSM papers and I have cut them in half and I am using coffee to color them into vintage color. You can use watercolors also, and after they are dried I have folded them in half and tiered the sides. And for the cover I have used a thick chart paper of the size I have shown, and now I am using some glue and water and to paste the tissue papers. You can also take papers like these printing papers to make the cover. I'm just using tissue paper, so like this. The glue and water mixture, make sure that it's not too runny, otherwise it will make the cover too much soggy and it will take a long time to dry. And after covering two layers I have cleared the tissue papers like this randomly and I am pasting it. And after it has dried a little bit I am making lines like this with the back of a brush like this and let it dry completely. The inside pages are also dried and now I'm going to assemble it into one like this. I have taken a thin page to add at the bridge of it to make it stick properly. The cover is completely dried and now I'm using black, brown and dark green acrylic colors to color them to give them a quite vintage look like this. Here and there randomly I am coloring it, and now I am adding some dark green color here and there. Now it is completely dried, so I am using some metallic colors, golden metallic color. Maybe I shouldn't used it. You can use this one too. And coloring the sides of the pages also. It's dried and now I'm attaching the pages to the cover using glue. I'm using just simple Fevicol glue. You don't need any glue gun or some kind of strong glue. You just need to glue that and let it dry for some time before you glue the other part, like the sides of it. The first and the last page, stick it to the cover so that it stay attached to the cover. And this is baby's breath flower, dried flower, and I'm using it at the cover. You can leave it simply like this, or you can use some dry flowers if you have, or a feather would also work, or you can dry some leaves in between books and paste it in the front. And this is done, our pretty beautiful vintage journal diary, easy made at home with just some papers. I hope you enjoyed watching the videos and learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more such videos, and don't forget to subscribe.